It's no secret that crypto can create life-changing wealth. You can make 5x, 10x, even 15x gains. These numbers aren't rare, but here's what no one tells you. All it takes is one missed trade, one unreported wallet, one error on your return, and the IRS will come after you with a huge tax bill. It's safe to say this video can potentially save you tens of thousands of dollars. Because if you're watching this right now, there's a good chance that it's that time of the year again, tax season. As a crypto investor, you're naturally looking for the best tool to keep track of all your gains and losses across many different exchanges and wallets that you're using. That's why in this video, we're taking a deep dive into CoinTracker, the gold standard of crypto portfolio tracking, tax compliance, and accounting software. Welcome everyone. I'm the DeFi Doctor. I'm glad you're back with another Decentralized Masters crypto class. And today we're going to talk about how to successfully prepare yourself for tax season and why we chose CoinTracker as our trusted partner in keeping us in good books with the IRS. Now, let's start off with getting something out of the way right away. Many people in the crypto space will say something like, "There's no way the government can track my crypto earnings. I'm just not going to report my gains." And I'm here to say that this can't be further from the truth. In your tax return, there is going to be a question asking, have you purchased or traded or invested in cryptocurrency or any other digital asset? And if you lie and say you're not, you are committing fraud, as harmless as it may seem. And maybe you're right. And your tax authority, whether it's the IRS, the CRA, or the HMRC, doesn't have the resources to come after you just yet. That doesn't mean that they won't have the ability in the future. Since everything in crypto is on a public ledger, there is no saying that a few years into the future, they will be capable of going after individuals more efficiently. And since every trade and transaction is on a public ledger, forever, there will be no hiding. Even Roger Ver, aka Bitcoin Jesus, an early Bitcoin advocate, was charged in April 2024 with tax evasion after not disclosing the full extent of his Bitcoin holdings to the IRS. He was arrested in Spain and is now fighting extradition to the USA. So it's worth the peace of mind to do your taxes so you can sleep well at night and not worry about the government coming after you after a few years down the road. And if you're using a tool like CoinTracker, that makes doing your crypto taxes quick and painless. So there's no reason not to. So why CoinTracker? Why not just scribble your trades on a napkin or hope your exchange's CSV export doesn't crash your Excel sheet? Well, if you've been in crypto for more than 5 minutes, you know this industry is evolving fast. Keeping up with every buy, sell, swap, staking reward, airdrop, and of course liquidity pools across multiple platforms is a full-time job. That's where CoinTracker steps in. Getting started with CoinTracker is super easy, and you can actually get started for free to see how you like it. You can sign up on their site, cointracker.io, with the links in the description below. Once signed up, you can begin connecting your arsenal of different exchanges and wallets to the platform. They have all the big names like Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, as well as wallets like MetaMask, Phantom, Ledger, Trezor, and many, many more. In fact, CoinTracker has integrations to over 500 exchanges and wallets in the crypto industry. Once you have synchronized everything, CoinTracker goes to work, pulling in all of your transaction history from every platform. Every fee, every trade, every random meme coin that you may have purchased will be accounted for. After all your transactions have been loaded, CoinTracker then calculates your gains and your losses. CoinTracker also supports the accounting methods of FIFO, first in, first out, LIFO, last in, first out, and HIFO, highest in, first out, and specific identification to optimize your taxes. For DeFi users, it tracks token swaps and cross-chain bridging, assigning fair market values. The clean dashboard shows portfolio performance, tax loss opportunities, and unrealized gains in real time. When it comes to actually filing your taxes, CoinTracker simplifies the process by generating IRS forms like the 8949 form and Schedule D, exportable to TurboTax, H&R Block, or your accountant. It also supports international tax rules for Canada, the UK, Australia, and many more, adjusting to local requirements like CRA's cost base or HMRC's share pooling, keeping you compliant effortlessly. Congratulations, you have completed your first tax return successfully, avoiding any nasty mail from the IRS asking for an audit. But CoinTracker's mission isn't over just yet. It helps you throughout the entire year. There are not many platforms out there that can track your crypto portfolio performance over the various different blockchains, exchanges, and wallets, as well as CoinTracker. Good thing for you, CoinTracker tracks your portfolio 24/7, not just at tax time. So you can check unrealized gains or spot a tax loss harvesting chance to offset profits. It's like a bonus feature you didn't know you needed. You can also reach out to support at CoinTracker if something isn't exactly clicking like it should be. Like I said in the beginning of the video, pricing starts for a free version of CoinTracker. Now, if you want all the bells and whistles, of course, there are paid versions, but it will give you a tax summary, and if you're impressed, you can then move up the higher tiers. I don't want to sugarcoat it if you're a beginner, but crypto can be complicated if you let it be. You could have trades on multiple exchanges. You're staking Solana on your ledger. You have Ethereum and Arbitrum in a liquidity pool, earning you a fluctuating yield between 10 and 200%. And on top of it, you may even have an NFT or two. CoinTracker ties the messiness of crypto all together. Without it, you're stuck with spreadsheets, missing data, and a tax mess. But with it, you're organized and ready, and way less likely to get that dreaded letter from the IRS. CoinTracker is one of our partners here at Decentralized Masters for a good reason. And if you want to try it out, you can use the link below in the bio to get started. So if you found this CoinTracker review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and drop me a comment below. How are you handling this tax season? Thanks for tuning in to another Decentralized Masters crypto class. This is the DeFi Doctor, signing off. Until next time, my friends, be decentralized and be safe.